Good evening, my name is Giancarlos Levano Vega, and for my assignment of my Anatomy and Physiology lab class, I will be talking about the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system produces female sex hormones that maintain the reproductive cycle. This system, it is made up of the internal organs and external structures. Its functions include producing female gametes called eggs, secreting female sex hormones such as estrogen, providing a site for fertilization, gestating a fetus if fertilization occurs, giving birth to a baby, and breastfeeding a baby after birth. The internal organs are the vagina. The vagina is a canal that joins the cervix, which is in the lower part of the uterus. This is on this side, and to the outside of the body, and it is also known as the birth canal. The uterus, or another way of calling it is the womb. The uterus is a hollow pear-shaped organ that is the home for a developing fetus. The uterus is divided into two parts, which is the cervix, and this is the lower part that opens up into the vagina, and the main body of the uterus, called the corpus. Now, the corpus can easily expand to hold a developing baby. A canal throughout the cervix allows sperms to enter and menstrual blood to exit. Next, the ovaries. This is here. The ovaries are small, oval-shaped glands that are located in either side of the uterus. The ovaries produce eggs and hormones. And lastly, the fallopian tubes. These are narrow tubes that are attached to the upper part of the uterus and serve as pathways for the ova or egg cells to travel from the ovaries to the uterus. Fertilization of an egg by a sperm normally occurs in the fallopian tubes. The fertilized eggs then move to the uterus when it implants to the uterine lining.